This one wey be say my neighbor no dey house so, and the dog don come my domot 3 times. And my neighbor dey come back tomorrow morning. Na to rush go Mama Ella store with my last card. After I buy food for Mama Ella store, I go from there rush go junction go buy poison for that my Igbo guy. 2 poison. I buy am from him hand credit. 1 for me, 1 for the dog. I go miss 1 for the dog food. After the dog don chop finish, I go butcher am, prepare better pepper soup.
You dey wine?
Then in the evening, I mix the second poison for water. I go drink am.
E dey smoke Igbo.
So when my neighbor come back, you no go see anybody ask say where e dog.